Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Just to let you know, this is New Year's Eve for me right now, and unfortunately it's not going to be posted that soon. I am trying very hard right now, funny enough, to get all of my videos edited so that they are ready to post at the very least. I think I have 4 or 5 left to do, considering I had a lot more. That's pretty good. And I have about 10 videos to film, so I'm hoping to do 2 today. My resolution for the new year, put makeup on a minimum of 3 days a week. I have not put makeup on for a week and a half. That's bad. That is just my lazy and depressive brain taking over, and I am letting it. I need to stop that. So today I have a couple of new things, and I used my Chanel because it's New Year's Eve and I wanted to, and I used my Marc Jacob bronzer. Now, one of the new things I have is a Chanel concealer. It's not the Chanel pot concealer, but it's a Chanel concealer. 50 bucks. And this is in the color B20, which is the exact same color as my foundation. So let's see if Chanel is worth the money. Let me give you a little swatchy swatch. There we go. There's a... You can definitely see the color corrector in there, which is not a bad thing because my eyes are purple. Okay, wish me luck. On this side of the multiverse, the purple looks a lot less pronounced, mostly on this side. I'm going to add a little dot more just in here because I want it far from the creases. I never concentrate on getting rid of the purple because every time I find a new concealer, my goal is not the purple, it's the creases. Looks good on the right. Maybe it's because I've got more light on the left. It almost feels like there's powder in there. Maybe it is a self-setter. You guys will have to let me know. We shall continue. Okay. One of the things I want to do, that's not what I was going to say, but you know, let's just run with it. One of the things I want to do is put on my Chanel blush now. So we shall do that with my Quo brushes. I love these brushes. Why are they so expensive? Man, this blush is pigmented. It's got to dry before I can put my highlighter on, and that's going to be my mini Bobbi Brown in Pink Glow. While I'm waiting for that to dry, let me tell you about what I got. Now this was a first. We do not usually get things that have just come out. We don't. So when I was at the drugstore doing my usual pickup, Essence had a little display of new products, and they only had 2 left, this color and another one. So of course I get this color. I didn't even swatch it yet. So you're gonna get a swatch first. It's got a bit of a shine. itty bit of a shine. Let me see if I can add a topper to that. There we go. I think I might go with this one in the inner corner and this as a topper. And this is from my Revlon quad. So, there we go. My Miniso for creams. Now, the other resolution is to try and actually keep my eye in frame. Because every time I edit, I keep going down and down and down. Ooh, it's shinier on the lid. This is creamier than the NYX. Very much creamier than the NYX. Yeah. I don't think they have as many colors as the NYX, but in here in Canada, I think we only have like 4 colors of the NYX. 5 maybe. Black, white, and 2-3 shimmer shades. One of them being pink, the other one copper. Okay, I think that's enough. This is, I gotta, what's the name of the color? That's what I gotta figure out. Eyeshadow stick, long lasting, blend line, sharpenable, full of beans. Full of beans. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do is the inner corner with this color. And of course a little fairy dust, because I wouldn't be me if I didn't add fairy dust. Even if I did a matte look, I would add fairy dust. I should almost change the name of the channel to fairy dust. Okay, now let's see if I should put, I only have a teeny tiny bit. Just there, just there, just to say that I put it on. Alright, I put it on. It's just an excuse to use it. Now, there is another thing I got that's brand new. I'm trying to see if it has a name. Tutu Turquoise. Let's see if I can get this on my lower lash line. Because bronze and blues go well together. I get the feeling that it's, yeah, see what I mean? Trying to stay in camera. There's something with my waterline that just does not allow liners to go on. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. It's not even. It's driving me crazy. I have a bit in the waterline there. I have none on the waterline here. It's my eyes. Alright, I like that crayon. I really do. And it was dirt cheap. Now, my blush is dry. So lots of highlight. And I want to make sure that it blends, because we do not want tiger stripes. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Beautiful. All right. This is brown. I have wanted a brown mascara for a long time. And this is the first time I found one in brown. So I was like, I just took it. So let us see. Ooh, look at that. That is brown. I like the spoolie. It's looks like it's not gonna poke me in the eye, and it's got a bit of a dip angle. That's the word I was looking for. But we know what happens with mascara. They don't work their best on the first day. And I did not curl my lashes, but that's okay. This is a good way to test if there's going to be a curl or anything. Okay, there's nothing on the bottom. Oh wow, I have lashes on the bottom. I don't know if you can notice, but I finally have long lashes on the bottom. Okay, if this is good as a brown, next time at the drugstore I'm picking up the black. Because my steel is about to give up the ghost. Granted, I still have a couple left as backup, but one's a mini and one's another Essence, the Princess Lash. I was gonna give it another try because everybody loves it. I seem to be the only one who doesn't. This mascara is lighter than my own brown lashes. That's funny. Because I can see some of the dark poking through. Well, it's giving me length on the bottom lashes, I can tell you that much. On the 10 lashes I have. It's not clumping. The Stila, I can't do 2 coats because even the first coat clumps. Okay, not a huge amount of length. Okay, what does it say? Lash without limits. What else does brown? Extreme lengthening and volume mascara. I have volume. I see volume. I see a bit of length. Ooh, as I said that it didn't clump. I've got one clump there. That's okay. I see a little bit of length, but this is day 1. Day 1. We cannot expect a miracle on day 1. Okay, so there goes that thing. I want to do my Project Pan final. I think I've got like 3-4 uses left. Alright, now I want to do my lips, and I think I'm going to use my one and only Itty Bitty Rare Beauty. So, the matching lip liner. I think I can put you guys a bit farther now. I have so many lip products, I need to use them. I don't understand how people have like 500 lip products. This is the matte lipstick in Humble, and I really do need to use it because it smells like it wants to go off. I did that. Okay, trying to put mascara on. So, that's not good. Oh, at least that's another test to see that I can actually work with it this way. I really like this. I hope they come out with a lot more colors and that we can see them here. I want to get an inner corner color of this one. I like it. Likey, likey, likey. I have not started drinking. I swear. I know it's New Year's Eve, but I don't drink, so it doesn't matter. I've got my times 10 here. I have to get close to it. Yeah, I've got my crinkles. If you guys are seeing my top of my head, it's because my times 10 mirror's attached there, but my brush still has powder in it. Let's look. Whoa. Now I just look really white. I keep forgetting about the powder because I've only just recently started to use the powder, and I'm trying to finish up my Innisfree. So hopefully that will melt into the skin because I'm still looking pretty pale. But I charge up my brush so much that it's not surprising that it still had a lot in it. I looked over it, it's white. So there we go. My New Year's Eve simple look. I can easily put a red lip to this. Where is it? Chanel. Where are you? I've only got 2 places for lip product. And of course my Chanel has to hide. This is gonna drive me crazy. Okay, as soon as I get up I'm gonna see it, but that's fine. So yeah, I could change to a red lip. Not staying up past 9. So I am going to do a short TikTok, the whole schlemiel, to wish everybody a Happy New Year. If you don't see that, and you see this way before, Happy New Year. And thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.